Hello, my students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing very good at your home. Children, do you remember in our previous classes we all have learned about sense of sound, isn't it? Yes. So today we all are going to do an activity. So children, we all have learned that we have 2 ears, isn't it? Yes. And what do we do with our ears, children? Yes, very good. We hear with our ears. So, come on, let's start. And the name of our activity is Sense of Sound. What, children? Sense of sound. Let's begin. To do this activity, we need 2 bowls. In this bowl, we have stone chips. We can find these small stone chips in construction areas like roads, buildings, etc. This is sand. We can find this sand in desert areas. Also, we use this sand for construction purpose like buildings, roads, etc. We need 2 empty containers. Look, children, this container is empty and this container is also empty. And we need a handkerchief to cover our eyes. Now it's time to transfer these stone chips into the container. So let's transfer all these stone chips. So we have done. Look, children, this bowl is empty. Now it's time to transfer sand into this container. So let's transfer. So we have done. Look, children, both the bowls are empty. And now we will close the container with the lid. And let's close this container also. So we have done. This is sand container. Shake this container and listen to this sound. The sound is so soft. This is stone chips container and shake it and listen to the sound. The sound is so loud. Now we will cover our eyes with handkerchief. Here I have used my dupatta to cover my eyes. Children, now my eyes are totally covered, so I cannot see anything. Yes, now we will guess which sound is loud and which sound is soft. We have 2 containers. Now shake this container and listen to the sound. The sound is so soft. Yes. And now shake this container and listen to the sound. The sound is so loud. Once again. The sound is so soft. The sound is so loud. This is soft sound and this is loud sound. So today we all have learned about the soft sound and the loud sound. Hope you all have enjoyed this video. See you soon in our next class. Tata, bye bye. Thank you everybody.